Yaria kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Moi kaunti-inĩ ya Embu kũrĩa mathako matiganĩte matabanĩirio, aciari moigĩte arutwo arĩa marĩ na taranda ngũrani maga gũcikũria nĩ kuona nĩ kũrĩ na moritũ ta ma mbeca harĩ meharĩria ma mathako macukuru-inĩ. Rĩu arutani makĩũria thirikari kũnyitanĩra na macukuru nĩguo kũhotithia ũkũria wa taranda mathako-inĩ rĩrĩa arutwo marĩ cukuru na ona rĩrĩa marĩkia.
As a country, I think we are still behind in terms of nurturing talents, but you need resources, you need coaches. Those are some of the challenges we do face. You also need enough capital to ensure that you plan for such events. So as a government, I think we are lagging behind in terms of nurturing talents. We are not yet there, but we hope with the new curriculum and what we've started at Millbrook International School, the government will follow suit and ensure that talents are being nurtured.
Otiga gũkũria taranda, arutani maroiga mĩthako itiganĩte nĩ matagia ndũgũ gatagatĩ ka arutwo, arutani hamwe na aciari, ihinda-inĩ o rĩu arutwo makamenya bata wa kwĩrutanĩria nĩguo kũiyũkia ũhotani.
So today has been a wonderful day. Tiresome, yes, but amazing. I really enjoyed myself. I think that what I learned from this is teamwork, because I have had to work with my teammates multiple times and it went amazing. I definitely think my team will win.
Kuona mũtaratara wa CBC ũrongoreirie ũkũria wa taranda, aciari na arutani maroiga ũnyitanĩri na thirikari nĩ ũgũteithia gũkorwo na umithio mwegega.
I think it will be a good intervention for both the national and even the county government and even school communities to come together to create sports complexes or academies where our children can be able to showcase their talent and even develop that talent. So I think it will be a good idea to invest in the sporting side of children. As we all know, kunata scholarships. Kids get scholarships from their sporting talent. So it's a good thing and it will be wise for us as a community in Embu and even our governments to step in and develop the talent of our children in terms of sports.
Inoro TV, Njĩtagwo Wairimu wa Njogu.